A unique, idyllic location, an incomparable natural setting, a new lifestyle. Welcome to Parc de Llevant, your new home in an unbeatable location. Interiors and exteriors perfectly fused right by the British School on the Costa Dorada. Sun, beaches, golf, sports, healthy lifestyles. Homes to suit you in individual plots and with prices at your fingertips. An idyllic area featuring private security. Welcome to Parc de Llevant, a Mediterranean lifestyle in a quiet area surrounded by nature. A perfect, easy-to-reach location surrounded by multiple spaces and services meeting your every need. Parc de Llevant Costa Dorada, a dream come true.